What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? It's your queen of hair illusions, Taneasha Hines, with another Alopecia solutions. My dog came all the way back from North Carolina and returned to your doll. Today, we gonna have some fun. We are going to be doing a full sewing weft installation with the Weave Buddy as the foundation support. And we are going to be doing some two-strand twists. Oh yeah. We are using my hairline snatched, then Cambodian curly. Okay. So we are going to get into it. I made this video time lapse, shorter, easier. It took some time to edit this joker because I had to go ahead and do the blur mosaic. Okay. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and doing that first layer of support. I went ahead and created the braid foundation in a way that's not going to have any more stress. The Weave Buddy is really good, and I just want to go ahead and implement it for most of my dolls. Is more than 25-30% of area of concern, especially if we are remaining dormant for a long period of time, meaning we're not doing anything to try to improve that area of concern. That means going to a trichologist, dermatologist, health factors, anything like that. Then we're going to go, and you can still go ahead and apply your topical solutions with the foundation support. But at the end of the day, we might need to go ahead and elect for different options. So if you are desiring a sew-in, crochet, sometimes I don't have to use it when we do consultations. I'll be like, yay or nay. It just depends on the client and the energy. If a person's real antsy still after the consultation, then I try to moonwalk out of it because I'm not selling anything and got time for buyer's remorse. It is a lot to go ahead mentally and think about. So I do understand. The Cambodian curly gives you more of a Tracy Ellis Ross kind of curl, and the Burmese Kiki curly is my favorite. It's going to give you that 4C look. So if you having a cranial sew-in or any installation done here that's integrated with your natural hair. I know we in Atlanta and we got texture and colorist issues that's untapped, but it needs to match the back of your hair. All right. I'm a magician, but lies you tell. Okay. I want green eyes. I ain't got my green eyes yet. And I need to start doing like Botched, the TV show. If you ain't watching, go watch Botched. Okay. I need to start doing before and afters. Sometimes you're like, well, I want a left part, right part. Can I get a headline? Can I get baby hair? I'm like, did you see? Let me. I'm not trying to make anything light of this person's situation, but my eyes sometimes be like, did you have any? Can we get one headline? And that curve part is not for everybody. I'm really not a fan of it. It look okay on very few. I'm gonna say people who got maybe heart shapes, round faces like Gina of Martin. Certain people have that head section. But when we doing certain layers, netting foundations apart, can we just go ahead and create the illusion? If we want all that, we can go ahead and get a cranial prosthesis. We can go ahead and get a full lace wig. We need adhesive when it comes to that. We want all the versatility. Then okay, we could do that. We definitely can do that. But with a sew-in, baby, okay. Now, my beautiful doll, she elected the first time to get crochet, and we did the Senegalese twist, and she was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and break it up a notch and get some premium illusions, okay? So with this technique, she's able to wear her hair a two-strand twist like such. She can go ahead and do a twist up. She can wear it in a ponytail. You know, she want to integrate her little silver with it. She can even wear it as the texture as it is and just spray wash it, okay? Spray with water, a little leave-in conditioner. How y'all like this hair transformation? I'm in love with it. We spent the day together. She elected to go ahead and rock it like such. Let me know in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see y'all next Wednesday. Until next time, deuces.